Hi everybody, welcome to our PlanningPME web access solution. I will show you today how to manage the clients. We are now in the resource John White. I will create a task here. Here the task appointment. I will assign a client to it. I can choose it in the following list, or I can directly create a new client inside the event. Here I will create ABC Company as a new client. I will now save it in the event, and I will now save it directly in our task. I will now go to the menu Data, then click on Client, and ABC Company appears here. I can also directly here add a new client by clicking on Add. Here the client CDA Company. I will now save it and it appears in the client list as well. I will now go back to our schedule. I will now create a new task on John White. Here, installation. I will assign here the CDA Company client. I will now save it and the name CDA Company appears here as well. I will now go to the filter for the client. I will choose here CDA Company and the event also appear with the client name CDA Company. I will now remove the filter. I will go on the client view, and the event linked to the CDA Company client appears as well. I would like to thank you today for your attention and see you soon for new videos.